Welcome guys back. In this tutorial I will show you 3 different ways to do the chainless foundation double crochet. Each method gives you a neat and stretchy start to your project. And the first one starts with magic ring and a slip knot. Now pull up a loop from your magic ring and bring it to the height of a double crochet. Now rotate your hook a bit and yarn over, placing that loop onto your hook. And please hold the first loop with your index finger. Now insert the hook into the center of the magic ring, draw up a loop, and finish as double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 again. Chainless foundation double crochet is ready. Now continue working. Usually you are going to work double crochet as many as needed. And at the end you are going to join to the top of starting double crochet. So here are 2 loops that you need, and that's how you're going to insert your hook. Now the second method, I like it as well. So again we start with magic ring and a slip knot. Again pull up a loop. Now no yarn over here, we insert the hook right into the center, draw up a loop. So now you have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first only, and then turn the hook around the loop on the hook. 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2. And here is the second method of the chainless foundation double crochet. Continue working double crochet as many as needed. And at the end again join to the top of starting double crochet. Here are 2 loops. I don't want you to get confused, so I'm showing you 2 loops, and that's how you are going to join. Now the third method, we start with magic ring, but we do not make a slip knot. Holding yarn this way, so around these 2 fingers. Now turn the hook around in this way and make a yarn over. Do not worry about this long distance. So make yarn over, then insert the hook into the center, draw up a loop. Now yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And here what we have. After that, continue working into the center. As many double crochet as needed. After that, you will join into the top of starting chainless double crochet. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it was useful.